Welcome to this Micro Focus Service Desk demonstration video. This video shows you how to deploy and install Micro Focus Service Desk by using the Open Virtualization Archive file. Prior to the deployment and installation of Micro Focus Service Desk, ensure that you meet the hardware and software prerequisites. For information, refer to the Service Desk documentation in the online documentation site. In order to use Micro Focus Service Desk, your first step is to browse to the Micro Focus download site, choose the Service Desk, and then download the Micro Focus Service Desk Appliance (OVA) file to a hypervisor where you want to deploy. In this scenario, the VMware hypervisor is used. To deploy the appliance, launch the VMware client and specify the login credentials. Specify the URL to download the OVA file from the web server, or browse to the file location. And then perform the on-screen instructions. Click Finish to start the deployment. After deploying the Micro Focus Service Desk, power on the Service Desk Appliance. After deploying appliance, configure the appliance and Service Desk settings. Accept the Service Desk License Agreement and the SUSE Linux License Agreement. Choose the language to install the application and then choose the keyboard language to configure Service Desk. Specify the host name and domain name to access Service Desk. To update network settings, select Change, and then specify the network settings. Choose OK to save the network settings. After saving the network configuration, select the time zone that you want to configure for Service Desk. Automatically it installs and configure the JDK, the Postgres database, and loads the database tables. After installing Service Desk, the URL and main menu are displayed. Choose one to reconfigure appliance settings. Choose 2 to configure Micro Focus Service Desk. Launch a web browser and specify the Micro Focus Service Desk URL. The Service Desk login page is displayed. Specify the default admin or supervisor credentials. Change the default login credentials immediately. For more Micro Focus Service Desk information and resources, visit the Micro Focus Service Desk documentation site. Thanks for watching.